What if you could fit the power of a full-size gaming rig into a case barely larger than a shoebox? MSI's new MPG Trident ASAI II isn't just compact, it might be the strongest small-form gaming tower released this year. Let's take a closer look. MSI has officially launched its long-awaited Arrow Lake and RTX 50 series gaming tower, blending next-gen hardware with a footprint small enough for any desk. Designed to outperform mini PC heavyweights like the Asus ROG NUC 2025, the Trident ASAI II aims to deliver true desktop-class power in a 10-liter chassis. At the heart of this compact beast is Intel's new Arrow Lake Silicon. MSI offers two options, the Core Ultra 5 225 and the higher-end Core Ultra 7 265F. The 265F packs a total of 20 CPU cores, 8 performance cores for raw speed, and 12 efficient cores for multitasking and background processes. Both chips are based on TSMC's advanced N3B manufacturing node, designed for better thermal behavior and higher performance per watt. In other words, you're getting true desktop-level processing power without the bulk. Of course, a gaming rig is only as strong as its GPU, and MSI didn't hold back. The Trident ASAI II can be equipped with either NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5060 or the more powerful RTX 5070. Both cards are desktop variants, not laptop versions, meaning you get full-tier performance for demanding AAA titles, ray tracing, and AI-accelerated workloads. All of this is powered by a 500-watt 80-plus bronze PSU, tuned for efficiency inside this tightly engineered chassis. Despite the compact form factor, MSI gives you plenty of room to expand. There are 4 storage options, 2 M.2 slots for blazing fast NVMe SSDs, and 2 2.5-inch bays for extra capacity. Cooling is handled by a refined air cooling system designed to keep the Arrow Lake processor and RTX card performing at full tilt. And with nearly a dozen I/O ports, the Trident ASAI II is ready for multi-monitor setups, VR headsets, and high-speed peripherals. MSI is launching 4 configurations across Australia, the Eurozone, and Taiwan. Prices start at AUD 2,999 for the Core Ultra 5 model with an RTX 5060, and top out at AUD 4,999 for the flagship configuration featuring the Core Ultra 7 and RTX 5070, 32 GB of RAM, and a 2 TB SSD. European buyers will see the RTX 5070 model with 32 GB of RAM priced at €1,999, while Taiwan gets a similar variant at TWD 74,900. With its cutting-edge Arrow Lake processors, RTX 50 series graphics, and a compact chassis that doesn't compromise performance, the MSI MPG Trident ASAI II stands out as one of the most capable small-form gaming towers on the market. If you're looking for desktop performance without the desktop size, this mini powerhouse might be your next upgrade.